Yeah, take a video of us going down. You say that's
Here we are
the deepest lock
at the deepest lock on the Thames. Just by a pub over there. Nice pub with a big beer garden. And we're waiting for a boat to come out of this lock. This, I've got to hold the rope when we go in this lock, and it drops down about 10 feet. We're just about to go into the second set of locks. We're tied up waiting for the man to come back. He's just opening the gates. We're just coming up on the Oxford University Rowing Club buildings. This is where the boat race comes from.
On the Oxford side.
On the Oxford side of the University Challenge race. Now the river's widened out now in front of us. The captain's on watch.
I tend to call myself a skipper rather than a captain. Otherwise, family, your father would be in terrible trouble.
This is looking back up the river from where we've just come. Look at the big house and the boat on the side of the river. Eh? How the poor people live. Must be awful for them. Beautiful part of the world. There's our skipper's just going to make a cup of tea. And we're waiting now for the water tank to fill up, which will take some time. So now we're going to have a brew. Cheerio. And here we are. Just left the lock. Going a bit further downstream to another lock before. Lovely day, beautiful blue skies, and off we go again, fully watered. Here we are, coming up to this beautiful bridge here. It was apparently designed by Brunel. Isambard Kingdom Brunel indeed, who did all the Great Western Railway and the steamships in Bristol, and very impressive. They don't make bridges like that nowadays. Oh look, there's a train going as well. Fucking hell. Yeah.
Great Western. I've just mentioned the brickwork underneath. It's absolutely amazing.
Well, you've already mentioned that, Graeme. We're recording.
Right. Okay, so the brickwork is quite outstanding. It goes at completely unusual angles to strengthen the arch. And at Maidenhead, the longest brick arch in the world is still there and carries the Great Western Region Railway over it to Bristol and beyond. So it really is quite amazing. This is one of his bridges.
Yeah, it looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah, swing round to the side as we go under and you'll see what I mean by the brickwork.
There you go.
Absolutely fantastic.
Amazing. All bricks. Hanging upside down.
Yep.
There we go, right. That's that report done. Thank you. Good morning all. Crew bar. Here we are now on the Azolla on our final leg of our cruise, heading towards Caversham. We just left Goring Lock, And Graeme tells me there's a few small houses to be photographed.
This in front of you is the lawn of one of them.
This is the lawn on our starboard side. Should be coming into view shortly.
The house is somewhere up there.
We'll have a look in
Now
a
we're
minute.
going round an island now, so it's not
Okay.
very little. No, you won't catch that one.
Oh, we can see bits of it in the trees, yeah. Some lovely trees here. Weeping willows are beautiful.
Yeah.
And the house is up there on the hillside. Oh, it's got scaffolding on. What a bum.
There's another pretty one further.
Oh, we can't see it yet.
No.
With the trees. But it is
There's
coming
a break
into
in the
view.
trees coming up, so
Yeah. This is his lawn, would you believe? It's a fucking field. Oh dear. Oh, alright. Well, he's got tractors up there and massive works going on. Obviously having some sort of extension done. Yeah, what a shame.
Well, it could well be they've sold it, and this is the new man going in and changing the whole bloody thing.
Yeah.
That's what they
There
do.
we are. Can you see it now? Yeah. Just a small house on the hillside.
Which I think is going to be much bigger somehow.
Right. I'll be back later.
This little bit here. So
Here we are again. We're coming up towards this Isambard Kingdom Brunel Bridge, apparently.
the second brick bridge.
The second brick bridge that he built on the Thames. And another small house coming up on the starboard side shortly. Look at the lawns and the lighted steps. Oh, there it is, up on the hill. Just a small pad. Good Lord. Bloody hell. Oh dear. How the poor people live, eh? Nice. And then let's get round here.
Walk over
Across
to
the back of the
other side
skipper.
and then
He's got some mist on his window, so we can't see through there.
so stick your head out.
Right, well, we haven't got there yet.
We'll see the bridge and approach the bridge. Again, the Great Western region to Oxford from Didcot.
And the train coming again.
Oh, wow.
Aren't we lucky? Here we go. There he is. Good heavens. And there's the bridge. And where's this, Graeme?
Right, this is on the Paddington to Oxford line, going north from Didcot, where it comes off the main line, which goes to Bristol.
Okay.
So this one is going north, and we're travelling east at the moment. And you will see the Chiltern Hills. We're through the gap, the Goring Gap, and that's the Chiltern Hills ahead of us.
Okay. So there we are. We're now on the final leg to Caversham. I shall be back shortly if there's anything to report. Bobo, not Bobo, this is Blackpool Bob signing off. Here's Graeme coming into the lock, and I'm waiting here to press the buttons. There he goes. All right.
I do the photographing. Plenty of time.
I've done my photographing.
Okay.
Shall I close the gates?
Right, close the gate from the sluices. Yeah.
Close the gates. Gates are closing, see? I could be a lock keeper. What a lovely life. Gates are closed. Open sluices, closed sluices. And there they go. Sluices are going down, the water's going down. And I've got to get back and do the other end now. Thank you. This is your lockkeeper signing off. Well, here we are now. We're back tied up in Caversham, the end of our river trip. We're back at Graeme's mooring. We're here for, well, I'll be here for another 2 days. We'll leave here on Thursday morning, back to the northwest, and leave Uncle Albert on his own. Yeah, we've had a wonderful time, and that's the end of the roving report. See you later, guys.